Okay, guys, welcome back. So we are continuing our look on some of these results from the EFL Championship, which started today. Casey Palmer's team, Bristol City, was in action, and they managed a 1-1 draw with Blackpool. Um, to be honest with you, they were leading 1-0 for most of the match and end up giving away the equalizer late in the game. Casey Palmer didn't start, but he came on early to replace an injured player, and he had a decent game. Um, so let's take a look at that now. All right. So let's look at the team stats before we get into the thing. So it's the 44 minute. Chris Martin scored with an assist from King in. So they went into the first half with a 1-0 lead. Then Nathan um, in the 90th minute, um, in extra time, Shane Lavery equalized for Blackpool, earning them 1 point. Now, Casey Palmer, as I say, did not start the game, but he came on in the 13th minute for Ododa. All right, so he played 75 minutes of the entire game, 0 goals, 0 assists, 42 touches, accurate passes 15 of 26 at 58%, which is very low or kind of low, I should say. Key passes 0, cross accuracy 0 of 0. So he didn't attempt any crosses. He attempted one long ball and it wasn't accurate. Shots on target 1, shots off target 1, shots blocked 1. Dribble attempts 2, 1 was successful. So you'd have said that's a 50% success rate. Ground duels 1. He went into 5, won 4 of them. Aerial duels 1, he went into 7, won 3 of them. Possession lost 17 times, fouled 0 times, was fouled 0 times. Clearances 0, block shots 0, interceptions 1, tackles 3, and he was dribbled past 0 times. So he didn't have the most outstanding game, but you can see from the stats that he did put in some defensive work, and he ended with a SOFA score rating of 7.1. So not a bad first day outing for Casey Palmer, who we know is under Nigel Pearson's eyeball. Excuse me. So moving forward, this is a good point. Going forward, Blackpool, if I remember correctly, is one of those recently promoted teams. So good going there, Casey Palmer. Although he didn't start, he came on and he represented himself well. All right. So that's it for now, guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Bristol City 1, Blackpool 1. All right.